Welcome to Hindu Temples Guide English channel. If you are a new subscriber, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get the updates as and when we update the new video onto our channel. We are trying to bring the latest information from TTD department as frequently as possible. Please do watch our video till the end because there are a lot of important informations I would like to share with all of you today about offline tickets. We have been updating in our videos saying that the free darshan tickets will be issued in Tirupati. This is the information we have got from the TTD website. They have been saying that the free darshan tickets will be issued in Tirupati for people who haven't got their darshan tickets either through 300 rupees ticket or free darshan booking online. So all these people have been waiting for free darshan tickets which will be issued in Tirupati. Also, many people have been waiting that if they do not get the online 300 rupees ticket or free darshan ticket, they would want to have the Lord Venkateshwara Darshan with the help of MLA recommendation or MP recommendation. All these recommendation letters will not be allowed either from MLA, MP or TTD board members, etc. This is clarified from TTD department that none of the recommendation letters would work for Darshan during the month of January. Now coming to the point that the free tickets which will be going to be issued in Tirupati. When we have asked the officials of TTD, we were informed that these tickets will be issued only during the period of Vaikunta Ekadashi, only for those 10 days. These free tickets, 5,000 tickets will be issued per day in 5 counters. Even these 5,000 tickets are to be issued to only those people who are staying in Tirupati. So please make a note of this information. People who do not have the online booking of 300 rupees ticket or free darshan, please do not visit Tirumala thinking that you will be given free tickets in Tirupati. The free tickets of 5,000 numbers will be issued only to people who are living in Tirupati. Mean to say, your Aadhaar card should have the word Tirupati in the address. Please do note the people who are staying in Renugunta and other nearby places of Tirupati will also be not allowed to take these free darshan tickets. There were a lot of videos which were talking about offline tickets being issued in Tirupati every day to the tune of 500 numbers. But this is restricted only to people who are living in Tirupati. Please kindly make a note of it. Keeping in view the third wave of COVID, TTD department has taken this decision of providing the 5,000 numbers of free darshan tickets only to Tirupati residents. Now let me tell you about the bookings for darshan in the month of January. All the 300 rupees tickets and free darshan tickets are completed for booking in the month of Jan. So now people might be thinking that if 300 rupees tickets are not available and free darshan tickets are not available online, could we go through any other means? Very sorry to say that recommendation letters are being cancelled. So there is no other means of having a darshan if you do not have a darshan ticket with you right now. Coming to the month of February, all the tickets of 300 rupees and free darshan tickets are almost booked. If you are booking for a virtual seva related booking will be available online, but the darshan tickets will not be available. The darshan would be possible only in the month of March. Also, many people have been inquiring for the darshan tickets of February. The tickets for February will be issued only after January 22nd. We have been trying our level best to give you the latest information of Tirumala as and when we get to know the authentic information. Hope you are enjoying our videos. Maybe this is the last video of this year 2021. Thanks a lot for encouraging us, and we will come back to you with lots and lots of information about many other temples.